Good morning, Steve Reeder with the Morning Grain Comments. Happy Friday, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Post-USDA report, markets are mixed with beans up, meal gaining on oil, corn down a little bit while wheat's rebounding from yesterday's lows. I think when we look at the USDA numbers, they didn't really make a lot of changes in corn. There might be a little bit of long liquidation into the weekend, considering how important South American weather is becoming. And the soybean market gaining, I think, a little bit on some short covering after the USDA did not increase the U.S. carryout. Wheat market trying to bounce off the fact that the USDA did raise world production, but they also raised world usage. And so now the big key is focusing on Russian prices, how much they're going to export. Some people think that their exports will actually drop 4 to 5 million tons from the USDA's numbers, which could tighten things. For the next 30 days, all we're pretty much going to be trading is headlines on inflation, headlines on the Omicron virus, and headlines on as far as South American weather is concerned. Right now, southern Brazil, Argentina looks to be dry. There could be some shower activity early next week, but that might be it for a while, and the coverage might be light. As far as U.S. is concerned, we're seeing a pretty active weather pattern over the next couple of days, moving snow into parts of the western Midwest, rains in the eastern half of the country, heavy rains in the Delta. We'll be watching pretty closely the long-range maps that suggest that this activity actually increases the chance for drier weather in the southern plains and maybe the Midwest in 2022, which would suggest that prices might be near key support. I think for the beans, we're still in this broad $12, $13 trading range. I think soybean oil is undervalued. The corn market is at the upper end of the recent trading range. Some South American weather, increased export demand could push us over the $6 level, which many think we can. And I think wheat's near value, and eventually Kansas City wheat should make new highs early in 2022. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.